Western New Mexico University Language Institute ESL Placement Exam. This test was designed to measure your command of the English language. 4 different areas compose this examination: listening comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension. This examination test document contains 100 problems: 20 listening, 30 grammar, 30 vocabulary, and 20 reading. The question and answer choices are in this test document, but you have to mark all of your answers on the separate answer sheet that is provided to you. Write your name and today's date on the answer sheet. Do not make any marks in this test document. Now, you will begin with the listening comprehension problems. Listening comprehension. This is an examination of how well you understand spoken English. The examiner will either ask a question or make a statement. You will be given 14 seconds after each question or statement is read. To show that you have understood what was said, you should choose the one answer choice that is a logical response or answer. I am going to Spain tomorrow morning. Where am I going? The correct answer is choice number 2, to Spain. Choice number 2 has been marked on your answer sheet to show that it is the correct answer to example number 1. Now, here is an example of the statement type of problem. Listen to the statement and then choose the one phrase or statement that corresponds to it. Joe and Kathy went to a seafood restaurant in Florida. Joe ate fried fish, salad, and shrimp pie. Kathy ate crab legs, shrimp pie, and salad. Joe and Kathy ate salad and shrimp pie. Therefore, we conclude that Joe and Kathy ate salad and shrimp pie means they both ate. On your answer sheet, for example number 2, mark the space after choice 3 to show that they both ate is the correct answer. Do not make any marks in this test document. Mark all of your answers on the separate answer sheet provided to you. If you do not know how to do this test, raise your hand and the examiner will explain it to you. You should be quiet and listen carefully. None of the questions or statements can be repeated. Now, turn the page to problem number 1. Listening comprehension. Number 1. My mom cut a slice of pizza and then put it on a plate. With what did she cut it? Number 2. Oscar doesn't swim in the ocean, but he swims in the lake. Does he swim in the ocean? Number 3. They bought a leather jacket in that store. However, they didn't like it. Number 4. Did you finish your test? Number 5. Dorina cannot read because the room is in darkness. Number 6. He would like to go to India and Brazil. Would he travel to India and Brazil? Number 7. Bill is worried because Tracy and Kenneth are in bed with the flu. Who are sick? Number 8. Alicia took a taxi to her parents' house. She hasn't seen them for 2 weeks. Why did Alicia go to her parents' house? Number 9. The Taylors have money to buy a new house. However, they already have one. Number 10. Her daughter's new car is pretty. The mother has the key to the car. Who has the key to the car? Number 11. Steve ate 6 tangerines and 7 coconuts. This means that Number 12. Tara traveled to Europe last year, just like she will this year. When did she travel to Europe? Number 13. Mary's car is not running. Why? Number 14. 3 friends traveled to Iceland 3 times last year. How many times did they travel to Iceland last year? Number 15. Bobby and his mom have been to the county fair many times before. (16) Jim has never worked in a farm, but he works in a gas station 12 hours a day. Number 17. Roger accompanied Emma to a car dealer to get a brand new car. She has saved some money for this purpose. Number 18. They want to tour Asia. Last year, they visited South Korea, Hong Kong, and Japan. Have they visited all of Asia? Number 19. Victoria and Andy went to the new airport last month. She drove her vehicle. When did she drive him? Number 20. We have to complete our psychology exercises with the architect. They must be submitted tomorrow. End of the listening section.